previous. So now we come here. And 4 to 8 lakh slab. If you
Navika,
have...
can I explain?
Yes, please.
Okay, so very simply, the regime. No, I'm fine here. That 0 to 3 for the new tax regime, it's zero tax. That 0 to 3 for the new tax regime, it's zero tax. Should you have an income of 7 lakh and no more, you are zero tax.
Okay.
Okay, that is today. What they have done is this 7 is now 12. So if you are earning 12 lakh and no more, then you pay no tax. If you earn more than 12 lakh,
then you are taxed in these.
Yes, so that 3 lakh becomes 4.
Okay.
And at the top marginal rate, you were paying 30% tax at 15 lakh. Now you're paying
at 24 lakh.
So this is big. This is very, very big bang. It is really good for this middle class, which we've been talking about all this while. They have got something major in this budget.
So this is for those people who are earning more than 12 lakhs. This is how the slabs will kick in. If you earn only 12 lakh rupees as your income, then there is zero tax. But if you earn more than 12 lakhs, that is more than 1 lakh rupee a month, then the first 4 to 8 lakhs will be at 5%. Up to 4, there is zero tax. Earlier on, this limit was at 3 lakhs. So you get relief here. You get relief in the slabs, because earlier above 15 lakhs you were paying 30%. Now you will pay only above 24 lakhs the 30% rate. So you get some relief in these slabs even here. And Sumit Singhania, if you can actually explain this once again to our viewers.
Right, so Navika, like you said, this is massive, right? So having a tax exemption going up from 3 lakhs to literally 12 lakhs, 4 times exemption growth. Then if you look at even the people who are in studio or outside studio who are earning, let's say, even 1 crore rupees of income, having the 25% reduction in the tax liability up to 25 lakhs is massive, right?
Okay.
So it puts more money in the hands of everybody, not only the mid